World Art Dubai, which is humming with a lot of creative energy, and I am going from stall to stall, and I've not even been halfway through the artists. There are as many as 400 artists from across the globe, and we have a lot of Indian artists too. We have Mahesh Sharma here, who is a very rare mix of an artist who works on the canvas and also works in other forms like furniture. So I'll just take you around the work that he's done so that you get an idea of the kind of work he does, and then we are going to talk to him a bit about his creativity and his art forms. So here it is. Here are the very intriguing looking chairs that he has made and put together, and here we are, his work on canvas. And here's something very different again, very unusual. Amazing, just look at this. Absolutely intriguing. So now let's talk to Mahesh about his work and his creativity. So
Hi.
Mahesh, please tell us, what is your inspiration for your work?
Hi. Basically, inspiration for the Dubai, I want to show more work compared to the last year. So I'm presenting here my all three collections.
Right.
So the first collection was the functional art. We saw
Right.
some furniture pieces,
Right.
which is actually based on the design by nature functional art. Which you
Okay.
can use as a one-of-kind pieces, which you can use as a furniture, but
Right.
at the same time you can use as a, like a art pieces also in
Right,
your wall.
absolutely.
That's the whole idea.
Right.
And the second collection, you saw the Buddha sculptures
Right.
and some painting which is really in the
Yes,
canvas
yes,
with the
yes.
Buddhist clay colors.
Okay.
Idea is it's a Nandari collection,
Right.
and it's completely made on a canvas with the clay colors.
Right.
So very organic, 100% organic.
Right.
So this is my second year collections.
Okay.
Then you saw the basically shark and
Right.
some other 3D
Installations,
installations
yeah.
and paintings,
Right.
which is I made specially for the Dubai. I inspired with the Dubai.
Okay.
You know how the Dubai is built in multi-layers. People are
Yes.
from the different kind of cultures.
Amazing,
So
yeah.
they like a different kind of work.
Right,
So they like
right.
somebody like the pop art, or somebody like the water. So
Right.
it's all like mix of things.
Absolutely.
We can give more and more good, beautiful art to the people.
Right,
That's the
right.
whole idea.
Right. That's wonderful, Mahesh. It was great talking to you. Thank you so much. Wish you the best for your exhibition.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mahesh.